Hey, I'm Kent Lamb from Standard Storage Company. We're here live at NAB. We're at the Hollyland booth, and we're going to talk about some new exciting products. One of them is this, the Lark M2S. I have my own that I've brought with me here. The great thing about this new wireless mic kit is a few things. One, the microphone part, the front there, is so small and discreet. You can clip it on to a shirt of the subject. A little hard to do with one hand, but like that, and you're not going to get any distracting logos, you're not going to get any flashing lights, and you're going to get great audio quality. The great thing about the case too, it has a receiver for your camera there. It also has room for the receiver for a phone if you have USB-C, and it just all fits in a compact case. You can put it in your pocket. I love it. It's probably the best on-the-go thing to have a professional presentation, not have a bunch of logos and flashing lights. But very exciting, we recently released this Lark Max 2, which is wild. So a lot of new features on this. This is kind of the top of the line wireless mic kit. If you look at the transmitters, again, very small and discreet. They kind of clip open, whoop, like that. And then you can again clip it onto your shirt in a way that's going to be very discreet like that, with the main body going on the inside of the shirt. It has room in the charging case for the phone USB connector and the camera receiver, which on this one is up here. You'll notice that this one is also connected to this Sony FX30 with a Sony camera adapter, so it's using the hot shoe on the Sony. You don't even need a wire to connect to the camera, which is great. But the craziest feature of this is right here. It's these wireless headsets, and what these are going to do is you put these around your ear. They're kind of like outer ear headsets, and they're going to let you live monitor the audio from the receiver, which is so useful. The cool thing is too, you're getting two of these. You could give one to the camera operator, one to the director. Now you have two people listening to the live audio from your shoot. So it really eliminates the need for a dedicated sound person in a lot of smaller shoots. Very convenient. You're also getting built-in 32-bit float audio recording on the transmitters and a super long battery life. I heard 11 hours for the transmitters, which is wild. So tons of features. Oh, time code also built in. So you're kind of getting everything here. I can't wait to use it. It's not released yet, but should be coming fairly soon, so keep your eyes out for it. I'm definitely going to jump on it once this is out. What else do we have? Around here, we have some video transmitters and some exciting stuff. I've been using, actually, if we come around here, I can show you. I've been using this as my main monitor for a while. This is the Pyro 7. This is a 7-inch wireless monitor that is also a receiver and transmitter of wireless video. So you can have this on your camera, connected to it via HDMI, which is on the back there, or SDI. And simultaneously, you can then broadcast that signal out to an iPad or an iPhone as a director's monitor, or another monitor, or one of these Pyro S receivers, which can then be connected to a much larger monitor for Video Village, for example. So you're getting so much versatility with these. And then we just recently announced the Pyro 5. So this is just a 5-inch version of the same thing. You're getting smaller antennas, a more compact body. You're still getting the SDI, the HDMI. You're still getting a SD card jack right here, so you can load LUTs on it. It's just a very versatile, handy piece of kit. On top of that, a couple interesting new products. This right here, excuse me, this is the V-Core. This is basically going to turn, I'll grab this other one, show you. This is going to turn your phone into a monitor. So if you have this mounted on your camera, you're now able to just use this USB-C out into your phone and use your phone as the monitor, eliminating the need for a dedicated monitor. But even better than that, it's able to transmit what your phone is getting. So if you wanted to shoot a film on your phone or a video on your phone, this could just transmit your phone's video out to another phone or an iPad for review. This is also battery powered, so this has charge that can then charge your phone while you're shooting, giving you longer battery life on your phone. So again, very versatile. Not yet released, but coming soon. And yeah, that's what we're dealing with at this year's NAB at the Hollyland booth. Lots of great stuff. And for more information or to purchase any of these, go to the website. And that's it.